video. Today we're going to go over the trig unit circle. So here I already have the radians laid out, and we're just going to go over the cosine and sine values for the given radian value of theta. So the easiest way to remember how to do this is to color code it like I did, and to just remember 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Easy. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So let's get started. First, 1, and we're just going to put it over 2. Then we go to the blue, and that's going to be 2 over 2. But the square root of 1 is 1. Here we need to keep the square root of the 2. So it's square root of 2 all over 2. Now we can do the next one, which is 1, 2, 3. Root 3 over 2. That was easy, right? Now we can just go reverse. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We do it again. Comma 1, comma 2, comma 3. Those are the 3 main coordinates that you need to remember that's hard to remember. If we look at the black ones, those are kind of easy. So this is 1, comma 0. Here would be 0, comma 1. Over here would be -1, comma 0. And over here would be 0, comma -1. Those are easy, just 0 and 1, and positive and negative. Now, here we have all positive in this quadrant, quadrant 1. To go over to quadrant 2, we just have to rewrite the same numbers, but we have to know which value is going to be positive, which value is going to be negative. Well, over here, we're going negative, so the first number is always going to be negative in this quadrant. So let's do that. -1 over 2, and the value going up is the same, comma root 3 over 2. This one corresponds to this one, but again, it's going to be negative first. So that's negative root 2 over 2, comma root 2 over 2. Here, just like we said before, 1, 2, 3, but now all of these first numbers are negative. So negative root 3 over 2, comma 1 over 2. So we're halfway done. We just have the bottom half. Now, this was quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3. In quadrant 3, both numbers are going to be negative. Both coordinates are going to be negative. So we just do the same thing. Negative root 3 over 2, comma 1 negative 1/2. The blue is going to be negative root 2 over 2, comma negative root 2 over 2. Four pi over 3 is going to be same as this one, but both negative. So negative 1 over 2, comma, negative root 3 over 2. 3/4 of the way done. We just have one more quadrant left. Quadrant number 4. Quadrant number 4, the first value is going to be positive, but the second coordinate is going to be negative. So it corresponds the same way again. First one is going to be positive, root 3 over 2, and then 1 over 2. And this one is going to be negative. Then we can go with this one. First one is going to be positive, root 2 over 2, comma negative root 2 over 2 because we're going down. And our last one is going to be 1/2, comma negative root 3 over 2. And this is the unit circle. Now remember, I said 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here was 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now when I flip it, it goes reverse. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Same thing over here. It comes over here. 1, 2, 3. First one's being negative. 1, 2, 3. And then when I flip it, it's going to be 3, 2, 1. First one's negative. 3, 2, 1. Second one's also negative. Again, over here, when I flip it from 1, 2, 3, it's going to be 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and the second coordinates are going to be negative because we're down. And that's it for the trig unit circle. This is the easiest way to remember. Go Trio!